Let me hit you with a question that might sting a little, but it could change everything. Have you ever opened your salary notification, felt that rush of finally, things are looking up, spent the next few days feeling almost wealthy, buying that extra meal out, upgrading your phone plan, treating yourself because you earned it, and then barely a week later checked your account and thought, wait, where the hell did all my money go? If that cycle sounds painfully familiar, you're not alone. Most people don't run out of money because they earn too little. They run out because they think about money the wrong way entirely. Today, we're exposing the single most powerful mindset shift that separates the quietly wealthy 1% from the perpetually stressed 99%. It's not about earning more. It's not about extreme frugality or luck or secret investments. It's about one fundamental difference in how the brain processes money: amounts versus percentages. The 99% obsess over fixed dollar amounts. I need to save $45 this month. That costs $18. I can't afford it. The 1%, they think in percentages. I save 25% of everything that comes in, automatically. My lifestyle gets whatever's left after percentages are locked in. Once you internalize this, you can't unsee it. Your relationship with money shifts forever. From reactive to proactive, from scarcity to control, from broke feeling to building real wealth. This isn't motivation fluff. This is behavioral psychology meets cold math meets real-life systems that actual wealthy people use every day. Stick with me for the next hour, and by the end, you'll have a clear, implementable framework, even if right now your income feels average or below average in Rangpur or anywhere else. Let's go deep. Introduction and my perspective. I'm approaching this like someone who's watched thousands of people, friends, family, online communities, repeat the same painful patterns year after year. If you're the kind of person who waits until the end of the month to see what's left for savings, feels guilty every time you spend, yet still ends up with nothing saved, gets excited about a raise, only to feel broke again a few months later, this is written for you. We're breaking down the percentage mindset the top earners and wealth builders use instinctively and turning it into a dead simple system you can start today. No six-figure salary required, no extreme cuts, just a smarter way to frame every dollar that hits your account. The core problem: why amounts trap you. Here's the brutal reality most financial advice ignores. The average person approaches savings backwards. They pay rent first, bills first, groceries first, fun, eating out, phone data, family obligations first, and then, if anything remains, they try to save. Result? Almost always zero, or close to it. Why does this happen every single month? Because fixed amounts feel viscerally painful. Saving $91 feels like losing $91 right now, real money gone from your pocket today. Your brain screams, that's a new phone, that's 2 months of groceries, that's impossible. Psychologists label this loss aversion plus present bias. We feel losses about twice as strongly as equivalent gains. We heavily discount future benefits. So when you frame savings as a big, concrete dollar amount, your brain treats it like immediate pain and fights back with every excuse. The 1% avoid this trap completely. They never negotiate with amounts. They set percentages first before emotion, before temptation, and let math handle the rest. Percentages feel abstract, small, almost painless. 20% sounds reasonable. 25% still doable. Even 30 to 40% becomes normal once automated. The brain doesn't panic over percentages the way it panics over hundreds of dollars disappearing today. Deep psychology behind the shift. Your brain evolved in a world of immediate survival threats. It prioritizes now over later because later might never come. That's why save 20% feels neutral, while save $73 triggers alarm bells. Percentages bypass the pain center. They create automatic behavior before your emotional brain can veto. Behavioral economists like Daniel Kahneman and Richard Thaler proved that small, consistent nudges like automatic savings lead to dramatically higher participation than manual decisions. When savings happen first, automatically, your lifestyle naturally compresses to fit what's left. You adapt fast. Within weeks, months at most, your new normal feels fine. The wealthy don't feel deprived. They feel secure because the system runs without daily willpower battles. Real numbers and compound examples, USD version. Let's make this concrete using realistic income levels. Average monthly salary in Bangladesh sits around 235 to 270 USD. Many earn less outside major cities, but we'll use clean numbers. Person A earns $273 per month. Thinks in amounts. After rent, $73 to $109, food, $73 to $91, transport and utilities, $36 to $55, family help and miscellaneous. They usually save $0 to $27 randomly. Average about $14 per month, $164 per year. Person B, same $273 per month. Auto saves 20% immediately, $55 per month, $655 per year. Even 10%, $27 per month, $327 per year. Now add conservative 7% annual growth. After 5 years, approximately $5,030. After 10 years, approximately $12,090. After 20 years, approximately $35,900. Person A, maybe $1,800 to $2,700 total, if lucky. Same income, different framing, wildly different future. Raises change everything. Person A gets a 20% raise, $327 per month. Asks, what can I afford now? Spending rises, savings barely change. Person B gets the same raise. Old, 20% of $273, $55. New bumps to 25% of $327, $82 per month. That extra $27 compounds for decades. That's how wealth snowballs. The simple, powerful system. Rule 1. Pay yourself first, percentages only. The day income hits, auto-transfer 10 to 40%, start wherever realistic, to savings or investments. Rule 2. Ban absolute amounts from savings language. Never say, I need to save $45. Say, I save 20%, period. Rule 3. Every income increase, raise the percentage. Got a 10% raise? Increase savings rate by 2 to 5%. Rule 4. Track percentages, not dollars. Quarterly review. What percent did I save? Rule 5. Scale gradually. 10%, normalize, 15%, 20%, and higher. Progress beats perfection. Handling real objections. I barely make enough. 20% is impossible. Start with 3 to 5%. The habit is the win. I have debt and family pressure. Save something. A buffer prevents worse debt. But percentages feel abstract. Exactly. Abstraction removes pain. Consistency increases. Why this changes everything. Emergency, you have a buffer. Toxic job, you have leverage. Opportunity, you can say yes. Identity shift. I'm someone who builds wealth automatically. The 1% aren't geniuses. They just rigged the game before emotion could interfere. Final thought. Thinking in amounts keeps you running in place. Thinking in percentages puts time, math, and automation on your side. You don't need double your income. You need a better frame. Pick your starting percentage today. Automate it tonight. Let your future self handle the rest. Your future self is already thanking you. Now, go set that first transfer.